You are probably wondering, where did all the people go? This is still Abakaliki, the same city buzzing with traders, buses and bike horns every other day. But today, it's Sunday, and in Abakaliki, Sundays are not just a day off. They are a tradition, a time for family, for church, and for catching your breath. This is not emptiness, as you may assume. It's intentional peace. And in those quiet moments, Abakaliki reminds you of its softer side. Streets are nearly empty, the air is calm, and the city seems to be on pause, reflecting the rhythm of life in Southeast Nigeria. In case you don't know, Abakaliki is one of the safest in Nigeria. Relax and enjoy this rare glimpse of Abakaliki without the noise, without the hustle and the bustle.